Guys, welcome to Ganesha Coding Hub. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about the init function. So after watching, you are able to learn the how to add the init function to child class instead of pass keyword. How the init function overrides the inheritance of parents init function, and the last one is how to keep the inheritance of the parent class in init function. So basically in the previous tutorial we had talked about how to create a parent class and child class, and how to inherit the property from parent class into the child class. So we have created class person and class student. So our class person is parent class and the class student is child class. So simply we have to define a function in it which has two properties, f name and l name, and thereafter we have to define a print name method, and simply it's print f name or l name, and we have to create an object x, and we have to call person and pass the uh, attributes like John and Doe as a first name and as a last name. So we instead of the pass statement we have to use uh, and if we have to use the init function. So we have to define init self, and we have to pass the two properties like f name and l name. Okay, so we successfully add two properties f name and l name. Okay, so let's see. So far we have created child class that inherits the property and method from its parents. As we see earlier, we want to add init function to the child class instead of pass keep as we have added. So note, the init function called automatically every time the class is being used to create a new object. Okay, so we define the init function and passes that key attributes like f name and l name. Okay, and thereafter when you add the init function, the child will no longer inherit the parent's init function. Let's see what happens. So let's run. Okay, so we have to print simply this. Okay, and then we have to run. So जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे, वी हैव ओनली जॉन डोए बट नॉट माइक. सो यहाँ पर हम लोगों को प्रिंट नेम मेथड की जगह ये, क्योंकि ये मैंने हम लोगों ने क्या यूज किया है, इनिट फंक्शन, जिसके कारण ये एरर आ रहा है क्योंकि ये इनहेरिट नहीं कर पा रहा है प्रॉपर्टी को. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, उसके बाद हमने अब क्या करना है कि इसको अगर सेम रखना है, हमें कॉल करना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. तो चाइल्ड क्लास init function overrides the inheritance of the parent class. So we have to keep the inheritance of parent class init function. So simply we have to call to a parents init function. Okay, so let's create a class person, and we have to define the init itself f name l name. So we have to simply call the parents function person dot init, and we have to pass this self comma f name comma l name. Okay, then we have to run it. तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं आउटपुट स्क्रीन पे, हमने इनिट फंक्शन का भी यूज किया, और फिर हमने क्या किया, पर जो हमारा पेरेंट क्लास था उसको कीप उसे मतलब ताकि वो इनहेरिटेंस का प्रॉपर्टी कैरी कर सके, तो हमने उसे सिंपल कॉल कर दिया पर्सन डॉट इनिट फंक्शन सेल्फ नेम, और ये फिर हमने सिंपली जो हमारा जो प्रॉपर्टी है, ऑब्जेक्ट है, उसको हमने कॉल किया मेथड के नाम से। तो हमारा जो आ रहा है आउटपुट जॉन डोए और माइक ऑल्सन। सो इस तरह से वी कैन easily keep the inheritance of the parent init function. Simply add a call to the parents init function. Okay friends, so thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like my videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks.